Welcome to 8 Quanta Library Content. Today we'll discuss Bill of Materials BOM inquiry in NetSuite. A BOM inquiry is a read-only view of a bill of materials. Think of it as a way to look at how an assembly item is built, without the risk of editing it. What BOM inquiry does, lets you view the hierarchy of components including subassemblies and raw materials, shows the quantities required per assembly, displays effective dates when components are active or expired, helps validate the BOM before manufacturing transactions, provides traceability by showing which BOM revision applies to which assembly. To access BOM inquiry, go to Transactions, Manufacturing, Bill of Materials Inquiry. Select the subsidiary. Select the assembly item you want to review. Some fields will auto-populate if the assembly has a default BOM and revision set. Example walkthrough. Let's open a sample assembly item. Under the Manufacturing tab, you'll see its default BOM and BOM revision, including their effective start and end dates. In the BOM inquiry screen, if multiple BOMs exist, you can choose which one to view. Same with revisions. Here I have 2 revisions available. On the BOM record itself, both revisions are listed with their respective date ranges. In revision 2, I've included subassemblies as components. These show up as indented items in the hierarchy. The inquiry also displays key columns like component name and level, component yield, BOM quantity per assembly, on hand, available quantity, backordered, on order in units. For example, one component shows 50 units available at my warehouse location. Since the location is set to all, the 50 units appear in the list. If I change the location to another site, those 50 units no longer appear. Setting it back to my warehouse location shows them again. By default, the inquiry shows all components, including those inside subassemblies. If you check top level only, the view will show only the main components of the assembly. Uncheck it, and the subcomponents will appear again. And that's all about the Bill of Materials BOM inquiry in NetSuite. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.